Valentine days can be a special day for our woman. Pick out the favorite movie that your wife likes. Make sure that you like it too. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a professional marriage and relationship advisor. I advise couples on how to build a much stronger and better relationship. It is almost Valentine's Day, so in this video, I want to give you some advice about Valentine's Day and what to buy for your spouse or for your partner, boyfriend, or girlfriend. I will have two parts in this video that I'm going to give advice for married couples and couples that are in a relationship and people that are single. So let's get to it. Flick. When we are married or when we're in relationship, Valentine's Days can be a special day for our woman because we are very emotional. We like to be treated well. But however, us women shouldn't pressure our men to do anything for us or to expect anything. Why? Because they already have hard job out there that they have to take care of. We know that they love you every single day and they have shown that every single day, so we shouldn't expect anything. If they do anything for us, that'd be extremely nice. I never really expect my husband to do anything for me on Valentine's Day because I know that he's just simply not really into those type of things, but he likes to do things for be nice for me. However, I don't make him guess of what I want him to do or what I would like him to do. I don't like to hint. I don't like to go around beat around a bush. I used to, but it didn't help with the relationship at all, so I stopped. So what I do with him is that whenever it's gonna be Valentine, what I ask him to do, hey, do you want to plan it out on this Valentine or you want me to plan it out? Because when it's like that, it's like you can split out, you can split each year of which person you're gonna do. Or he actually have a better idea, is that why don't we do it together? And that's where he gave me the idea. Why not? Because that's the way we can work together better as a team. It's amazing. So we can both enjoy what we like to do for each other. So in this Valentine, my husband and I are going to plan everything out together. What we were planning, I'm not gonna say here because I'm going to have a video coming up soon when it's gonna be Valentine's Day vlog that show what we're going to do as a married couple in quarantine in Valentine's Day. So if you guys want to watch our videos, wait until the February of 14, 2021 and it will come out. But we planned out the entire day of what we want to do. I planned my plan already. I haven't really heard from him yet, so I'm just gonna give him a few days because he's super busy right now. I don't expect him to do anything. I don't expect him to surprise me because it's not really a surprise when we plan things together and when we're show everything together. So don't expect your man to actually surprise you without you telling them, because men are usually think more logically and they think less emotionally, and we have a lot more emotion and we just tend to be more emotional when it comes to like love days or anniversaries or anything like that. Then we like to surprise. If you like that, you need to tell them. If you want a surprise, say, hey, I would love a surprise on Valentine's Day because I love those things and I would love you to do it more because I want it and it make me feel special. If you want something, you need to ask. If you want something, you need to tell them of what you want. Don't make them just want to read your mind because men think more logically. Women normally think more emotionally. I must say all of them, say most of them. So you want something, ask them. That's my advice for our women. Let's talk to our men now. Men, if you want to surprise your spouse and if you want to do something nice for them on Valentine's Day, first you need to talk to them. Ask them what they like. Ask them what kind of thing they like. Ask them what chocolate they like, or ask them what do they want to do on Valentine's. So you can plan it out carefully. And if they don't want to talk to you and they just want to surprise, I know it's hard, but I am here for you. What you can do is that remember of what they like. What's their hobby, right? What is kind of movie that they like? What kind of food do they like? You can go out and pick that up and plan out a dinner date at home with your TV and pick out the favorite movie that your wife likes. Make sure that you like it too, because I want you to enjoy the Valentine days too. In Valentine, I believe that two people, or if you're in a relationship with more people, it is for everyone that in love with each other. And it's not specifically only for women, it's not specifically only for men, or it's not only specifically for a certain person. It is for everyone. Valentine's Day is a love day. You should give love out to each other, that who you love, right? So make sure do something that you enjoy too, not just only your wife or your man. Something that you both can enjoy, something that you can actually laugh about and talk about it. If you remember the movie that bring back the memory, maybe the movie that you went out on the first date, you can watch that, or the movie that you both laughed so hard or just make love after that, then you should watch that again. And then after that, just plan out a hot sex date with them. I would suggest to buy them lingerie because women love lingerie, but not everyone. So just make sure what your wife likes and just make sure that she likes it and buy for them and do for them. I'm sure she would love it and I'm sure she will notice it. But after that, if you think that it's kind of unfair for you that she doesn't talk to you, you should really talk to her. Don't say that it's unfair for me that you don't talk to me. Don't say that. I say, hey, I really want to know what you want to do on anniversary of Valentine's Days or anything like that. So I can plan it out. If you like me to surprise you, what kind of surprise you want, so I can surprise you with it, because I don't know anything about it. So please help me out with it, because I would like to make you feel special. If you want to do those things for them, talk to them about it. Communicate with them. Don't try to read their mind, because we are not that advanced yet. So just talk. We are human. They're not gonna bite you. They're not gonna yell at you. If you generally just talk to them, what's the reason that they would bite you or yell at you? If your wife loves you, if your wife respect you and care about you, they would talk and you guys would figure it out together. So that's it for my advice for married couples and couples that are in relationship as well. I have a very similar if you're dating. I don't see a lot of different things when you're married, especially when it comes to Valentine's Day. So your girlfriend, boyfriend, talk to each other. If you want to do something, plan it out together, or just take turn each year of whatever you want to do. Because this Valentine's Day is for two people or more of you in a relationship with more people, but it is for everyone. Don't separate everyone out. A little bit of difference is that when you're in a relationship, you might not stay together. So what you could do is that you can go on a park date. You can go into a drive-in movie theater date, or you can go to a hotel to enjoy a night if you like to. And go out for somewhere that is outside, safe for you, both of you, to enjoy a dinner date. I know a lot of people now, they actually set up picnics for you, and you just have to contact them, and you just have to search on Google and contact them, and they will set out a really nice picnic for you wherever you live, whatever park you want to, and they will set it out for you, and you guys can enjoy a date. Valentine's Day then. It will be so cute. So that's my advice for the couples that are dating. And now let's come to our single people. Single people, when it comes to Valentine's Days, I know it can get lonely sometimes, but it's just okay. You can spend it with your friends that don't have a partner, because like I say, Valentine's Day is not necessary for specific people. It's a love day. It's a day that you show love. You can spend day with your single parents or parents that don't really want to do anything on Valentine's Day, you can spend time there as a family. But however, if you're single but you have a crush on someone, I don't care if you're a woman or a guy, you can ask them out. I understand there's a standard thing that Valentine's Day, you need the guy needs to ask the girl. It is actually in the history, Valentine's Days is where the woman confess or feeling to, and it's the other way around. It's the opposite day. So it's kind of odd when I found that out. But however, it doesn't really matter. Why? Because I have asked a guy out on a date, Valentine's Day. I kind of liked him back then, and guess what? We ended up dating back then. It worked out back then where I just step out of my comfort zone and just say, hey, do you want to hang out with me on Valentine's Day? And we just hung out a little bit and we ended up dating. So if I didn't make that move, we wouldn't have been up dating. So that's why, step out of your comfort zone. I don't care if you're a woman, I don't care if you're a guy. Just step out of your comfort zone and ask them that, hey, do you want to be my Valentines? It's like, what are you gonna say? They're not gonna eat you. I know a lot of people are scared of rejections. Don't be scared of it. It's the max is say that, I'm sorry, but I don't think so. Then just move on. I know it's going to be hard, but you're going to find someone that actually care about you. If you don't go out there, put yourself out there and go through a lot of people, you will never ever find the one. Don't stay at home moping that you're alone. It is because you don't put yourself out there and try to find people. You need to put yourself out there. If you don't put yourself out there, if you don't show who you are, like what kind of people you want to surround, you will never find the one that care about you. It's just that simple. That's it for the video today. If you guys have any interesting Valentine's Day story, please comment down below. I would love to know about it. And if you like this video, please click the like button and click the subscribe button as well. I upload three videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye. Hi lovers, thank you so much for watching my video. I also have a program right now where I give out for free marriage training for married couples that are struggling in their marriage. If you want to get access to it, click the link right below. And I have free cheat sheets just for married couple also to help to straighten up their marriage. And I have a program where I train married couple to be much closer, to be much more intimate with each other, and to have a lot more sex with each other. So if you guys want to find out about that program, it's called Cupid's Biggest Secret Marriage Secret Course. If you want to access to it, is click the link below. Thank you so much. I have more videos in my channel. Just click the link up here. You can see my past video or my latest video. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.